Get fast, reliable streaming internet with the speed you need at a great value.
6.5 to 7 Tuesday into Wednesday. Rock Island County in northwestern Illinois, western Whitefoot County in northwestern Illinois, northeastern Scott County in east central Iowa, Clinton County in east central Iowa until 7:45 p.m. At 6:58 p.m., a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located near Welton, or 12 miles southeast of Macocata, moving east at 45 miles per hour.
Looks like looks like an impact in the city of Clinton.
Impact. Flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur.
Looks like it's impacting the city of Clinton.
This dangerous storm will be near Clinton, Comanche, Lowmore, Goose Lake, Bryant, Elvira, Malone, and Clinton Municipal Airport around 7:05 p.m. Albany, Rock Creek Park, Frolics, and Rock Creek Marina and campground around 7:10 p.m. Fulton, Garden Plain, East Clinton, and Boulder's Hollow around 7:15 p.m. Other locations in the path of this tornadic thunderstorm include Union Grove, Newton Corners, Morrison, Fairton, Unionville, Whitefoot County Fairgrounds, Erie, Rock and Morrison Rockwood State Park. This includes Interstate 88 between mile markers 11 and 25.
Only the interstate.
Take cover now.
But looks like it's impacting the city of Clinton, Iowa. I believe it's in Iowa. It's Clinton, Iowa.
Move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Heavy rainfall may have this tornado. Do not wait to see or hear the tornado. Take cover now. Torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm and may lead to flash flooding. Do not...
Showers and thunderstorms, mainly in the evening. Some thunderstorms may be severe in the evening. Locally, heavy rainfall possible in the evening. Lows in the lower 70s.
The National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Ogle County in north central Illinois, northern Lee County in north central Illinois, Winnebago County in north central Illinois until 8:15 p.m.
That's for Ogle.
At 7 p.m.
That's a severe thunderstorm warning for Ogle, Lee, and Winnebago.
Moving east at 50 miles per hour. Hazard, 70 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact,
A tornado warning just issued for the city of Clinton, Iowa.
Roofs, and outbuildings. Locations impacted include Rockford, Loves Park, McChesney Park, Dixon,
And it looks like severe thunderstorm warnings impacting the city of Rockford.
Rockford Airport, Cherry Valley, Winnebago, Davis Junction, Pecatonica, Forreston, Durant, Hillcrest, Stillman Valley, Franklin Grove, Aston, Ross Nation, and New Milford. Remain alert for a possible tornado. Tornadoes can develop quickly from severe thunderstorms. If you spot a tornado, go at once into the basement or small central room in a sturdy structure. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. A tornado watch remains in effect until 1 a.m. for north central Illinois.
In the suburbs, but in the upper 60s downtown. Sunday, partly cloudy. Highs in
The National Weather Service in the Quad Cities has